Let me explain how to create an AI model for fashion videos using CapCut on your phone. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively, step by step. The first step, as you can see here, is to create a model. So, how exactly is this done? This can be accomplished using CapCut or any AI software available on your device. Let's explore the options and get started on this exciting journey. This could include Chat.GPT, Gemini or Grok, as well as any other AI program you choose to work with. For example, it gets generated in CapCut. So what's the next step? We create an iTools project. After that, you carefully select the text-to-image feature. If you don't have that feature in your CapCut app, then you should consider using an alternative option, such as the AI Poster tool, available here. What does it do? It helps you by creating a model when you have a specific task at hand. As you can see here, you open CapCut and simply ask the software to generate the model for you. It's as easy as that, empowering your creativity effortlessly. After that, you carefully navigate to the AI Poster section, where you can upload your artwork or model with ease. Once uploaded, you input the specific details of what you need to add or modify. It's important to clearly express your requirements, ensuring that the final result aligns perfectly with your creative vision. You simply click on the generation button, and you'll have a stunning model that meets your needs perfectly. This program does everything flawlessly, catering to your taste. For example, once you have your model completed and everything looks good, what do you do next? Let's find out together. For example, you can enter this section now. If you just need a simple model, you save it, and that's all. However, if you want to create something truly unique from it, you'll need some AI programs that can bring your ideas to life in exciting ways. But essentially, I have explained how to create an AI model step by step. And that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. Wishing you all good luck, and goodbye.